just created a mini version of a big year, meaning it is the entire year from January 1st to December 31st, all in one tab. Normally, this looks like this, where it's actually a calendar, but I just made a mini one, and I got the first 3 letters of every single month. I'm going to show you this formula right here, right now. We can get the first 3 letters of any month just by doing text. We need a date, and that date could be this year, 2025. This month, if you want to do month around today, actually we can change this to year today, and wrap year around today, wrap month around today, and whatever, we're going to get the whole month, so we can put a 1 here or 2, whatever number is in every single month. Make that the date, and then in our text formula, we need a format. In quotes, just 3 M's. 1, 2 could be capital or lowercase m's. That's it. Enter. And now that's today's date and today's month. If we want it to be all caps, we wrap upper around it. And there we go. It's all capitalized. NOV for November. But what if I want to get all 12 months fairly quickly? Well, I don't have this date of today. I'm going to wait 12 months to get it. No. All I need to do is put in today's date. Whatever the month is will be our row. -1 because we're in the second row. But we could also just do row and copy paste that from row 1, 2, 3, all the way till 12 to get 12 months. I like using that row. It's a fairly fun little hack to get the numbers 1 through however many you need. In this case, 12. Hope that was fun, and hope you enjoyed getting the first 3 letters of the month. And you can get Big Year absolutely free. Again, I just added this mini version, but it is the whole year. It's absolutely free over at bettersheets.co/bigyear, BIGYEAR. You're watching Better Sheets here on YouTube. Make sure you check out this video or this video and subscribe right now to get more tips, tricks, how-tos, get more out of your Google Sheets than you ever have before. I'm excited to be making a ton more videos here. Ask me questions down in the comments and I will answer them in future videos. But for right now, right here, one of these videos is going to be your next Google Sheet.